Welcome you all. In this lecture, I will explain about expressions for efficiency of turbo machines and some numericals on turbo machines. Efficiency of turbo machines. So depending upon whether the machine is power generating or power absorbing, the efficiency of the machine may be defined by the following expressions. So for power generating turbo machine, the efficiency of the turbo machine is given by, it is the ratio of actual shaft work output to ideal work output. So that is given by the ratio of W actual to W ideal. So this is expression for power generating turbo machines. For power absorbing turbo machine, the efficiency of turbo machine is given by, it is a ratio of ideal work output to the actual shaft work output. So that is equals to ratio of W ideal to W actual. The ideal work input is calculated on the basis of asymptotic flow conditions through the machine. Next one, hydraulic efficiency or asymptotic efficiency. To account for energy loss between the fluid and the rotor, the efficiency for power generating turbo machines, the asymptotic efficiency is given by work done by the rotor to the work supplied by the fluid. So that is given by W rotor to W fluid. For power absorbing machines, the asymptotic efficiency or hydraulic efficiency is equals to work on fluid to the work done by the rotor unit. The mechanical efficiency. The mechanical efficiency of power generating turbo machines is given by work, the ratio of work of the shaft to the work of rotor, or the work output by the shaft to the work input by the rotor. In similar manner, for power absorbing turbo machines, the mechanical efficiency is given by work available in the rotor to the work supplied by the shaft. So these are the different expressions are used for turbo machines related to the efficiency, hydraulic efficiency or asymptotic efficiency and mechanical efficiency. So now we can solve some numericals related to these turbo machines. The first numerical in that one, the blower develops 750 millimeter water gauge at a speed of 1480 rpm and at a flow rate of 38 meter cube per second. So now determine the specific speed of the air blower. So this question was appeared in VTU exam on December 2010. So first of all, you write the given data here. The given data here, the HW, that is 750 millimeter of water gauge. So now we can write this one in terms of meter, 0.75 meter of water. The speed is given, N is equals to 1480 rpm. Discharge is given as 38 meter cube per second. So now you have to find out, so what is the specific speed of the air blower? Here assume the room temperature has 27 degree centigrade or 300 degree Kelvin. So now here we need to find out what is the density of air. The density of air is calculated by a formula rho A. The rho A is equals to density of air is a ratio of atmospheric pressure to the gas constant into atmospheric temperature. The P atmosphere represents atmospheric pressure, R is equals to gas constant, TA is equals to atmospheric temperature. The atmospheric pressure is taken as 1.0132 into 100 divided by the gas constant is 0.287, that is kilojoules per kg Kelvin. Atmospheric temperature 300 in Kelvin. By simplifying this, we will get the density of air as 1.2 kg per meter cube. The head of air. So what is the head of air here? The head of air HA is given by the expression rho W into HW to the rho A. So here rho W means density of water, HW is equals to water head, then rho A is equals to density of air. The density of water is taken as a 1000 kg per meter cube. The head of the water is 0.75 meter of H2 and density of air is calculated, that is 1.2. After simplifying this one, we will get head of air HA is equals to 625 meter. So now find out what is the specific speed of the blower. The specific speed of the blower is given by the expression NSP, that is specific speed of the blower is equals to N into square root of Q divided by H power 3 by 4. So now N value is given, that is 1480. The discharge value is also given, that is square root of 38 now, and head is calculated. The head of air is equals to 625. The power of that 3 by 4 is equals to 73 RPM. That means now the specific speed of the given air blower is 73 RPM. The numerical number 2. The 1/4 scale turbine model is tested under a head of 10 meter. The prototype is required to work under a head of 28.5 meter and to run at 415 RPM. Estimate the speed of the model if it develops 94 kilowatt of power and uses 0.95 meter cube per second of water at this speed. Also calculate the power output of the prototype and suggest the type of the turbine required. So this numerical is related to model and prototype. After reading the given problem, write the given data here. So here the 1/4 scale turbine model is given. So for that reason, the ratio of diameter of model to the diameter of prototype is taken as 1/4. Then head of the prototype is given 28.5 meter. Now speed of the prototype is given 415 RPM. Power developed by the model is 94 kilowatt. The head of the model is 10 meter. Discharge through the model is 0.95 meter cube per second. So now find out, so what is the speed of the model, what is the power output from the prototype, then you have to suggest so which type of the turbine is suitable for these given conditions. Now start the solution here. From head coefficient, So according to this head coefficient, the head coefficient of the prototype is equals to head coefficient of the model. The expression for that one, GH by n square d square, that is head coefficient of the prototype, that is equals to GH by n square d square of the model. So now I want to find out the speed of the model and rearrange this expression according to our need. That is, I want to calculate what the speed of the model here. Then substitute the values of from the given data. Then after simplifying that, we will get the answer. The speed of the model is 983.3 rpm. So that is the speed of the model. The second part on that numerical is power of the prototype. So now I want to find out what is the power developed by the prototype. From power coefficient formula, the power coefficient formula is P by rho n cube d power 5. So here power coefficient of the prototype is equals to power coefficient of model. So now I want to find out power coefficient of prototype, that is PP is represents what? Power coefficient of prototype, or power produced by the prototype is equals to now that expression, and all the given values are substituted in this expression. Then finally I am getting the answer, that is power produced by the prototype is equals to 7236.29 kilowatt. Next, suggest which type of the turbine is suitable for this given condition. So actually the turbines are specified according to the specific speed of the turbine. So here the specific speed is given by the formula n into square root of p by h power 5 by 4. So that is the specific speed formula of a turbine. Now find out what is the specific speed of the turbine here. The specific speed of the turbine is 536.11 rpm. So based on this rpm, the specific speed in case ranges from 368 to the 856, then such the Kaplan turbines are suggested for this range. So according to our answer is the specific speed of the given turbine is 536.11 rpm. So for that reason, for this given condition, the Kaplan turbine is suitable. So these are the two numericals related to the turbo machine. Thank you.